I am Adam Noble. I'm the Vice President at Blue Ridge Industries, and we are a contract manufacturer located in Winchester, Virginia. We specialize in injection molding, but also do a lot of other assemblies. Yeah, we're special in that we're a very technically driven company. So in our mission statement, we create quality solutions for our customers. We not necessarily just make plastic parts, but a lot of our customers come to us with problems that are complex. So DELMIAWorks is our ERP system, and we use it more and more every day, but it really drives our business. So everything from ordering raw material is done through DELMIAWorks to shipping it out at the end and everything in between. So we're utilizing real-time production monitoring as well as real-time process monitoring. I mean, that data is really insightful, and we've done a lot of neat things with that. Everything from shop data on the floor. We utilize the quality module a lot. Quality modules 1 and 2, SPC, getting inspection instruments to send data into that. That's been really exciting too. So it really touches every element of our business. It really is that end-to-end solution. It provides, that single source of truth as the database where all of our data resides. And then from there, DELMIAWorks can do a lot of the data manipulation and reporting, and there's some great reports there and some ones that you can customize. And then we could also pitch it out to other third-party tools, including ourselves, to do even more analysis. So it really provides us that floor and that platform to work off of. So on the real-time production monitoring side, we recently implemented IQ Voice over our PA systems. So people are getting the data that they need. I mean, it's very customizable, which we've really taken advantage of. So we're an injection molder, but I could see it working for a lot of other manufacturers as well. It's a really good software platform. I mean, it's got a really good support team. We've appreciated all the work that you guys have done for us. DELMIAWorks really helps you manage complex business, right? That's the why you need it. If you're doing very simple things and very few of them, you may be able to work without it. But once your business grows to a sense of scale where you really have to manage that and you want to do other things with your time too, it really is that enabling tool that makes it possible.